Yo you guys, it's Badger here. So today we're going to have a look at this Anime Paradise blocks. They are kind of like Legos for bigger or smaller children, because they don't have all these small parts, which is kind of nice to see. And as you can see, they have quite a variety of stones in here, so you can create basically whatever you want with them. They have different ideas that you can rebuild, but you can also come up with your own small ideas if that's something you're more looking for. These are little pieces, as I said. They attach just as Legos, easily, smoothly, and nicely. And that's basically how you attach them. And you're just gonna build up on them and create whatever you feel like. There's different sizes as well, so check that out as well if that's something you're interested in. And yeah, I mean, it's kind of straightforward on that part, and nevertheless, um, I think it's pretty handy, and it's much cheaper than the official ones. And yeah, check them out if that's something you're looking for. You can actually combine them with the official ones too. They actually fit, which is kind of interesting to see too. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care. I will see you around the next video, and take care. Bye bye.